So what up guys, it's Joel, and today I think we are going to play a game, and the game is going to be the noise-o-meter. Yeah, let's get right into the video. Peace. The challenge was to snap my fingers. Okay, so I'm going to be trying to sing I Will Always Love You. Okay, so I'm gonna try and sing I Will Always Love You my best, because I lost the last one. So 3, 2, 1, go. And I will always love you, and I will always love you. Jumping jacks. That was really all of me trying to do the noise-o-meter. So it was really hard because on the first one, what did I do again? I forgot what I was doing on the first one. Oh yeah, I had to try and snap. It would pick up the sound from so far away, and it really sucked. Like the first try I did this, still pick up the sound is too high. The next try, still took it up, and then this time you saw it, it was good. But yeah, it was. And then the one with jumping jacks, I don't know how. I was silent. Is this loud to you guys? I don't know. I'm gonna have to rewatch this video to see. But that's the noise-o-maker video. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoy, and see you in the next one. Peace. Shimmy dance. Shimmy dance. Subscribe, like, and share my video. Boop.